My name is Dipanshu Iswas. I am the team lead of Team Darksiders. I will be working on programming, game designing, level designing, character modeling, and animations.
Hi, I am Mridul. I am assistant programmer, sound editor, and assistant designer of Rumozzle.
Rumozzle. Our game name is Rumozzle. Rumozzle will be basically a FPS game, first-person shooter view game made on Unity 3D for PC, Android, and iOS platforms. The game story is based on fantasy. In the first half of the cutscene, we will show the two main characters of our story. The first character is Bob, and the second character is a dog named Juju. In the first half of the cutscene, we show the nature of Bob, who is very poor in his studies and gets irritated while studying. In the second half of our cutscene, we will be playing. He will be playing with his dog Juju, whom he loves the most. After the second half of in the third half of our cutscene, something strange happens inside the room, and a monster-like creature appears and takes away the dog with him. Then the monster leaves a message for that Bob, saying, "Let's play Rumozzle." In the third half of our cutscene, the monster spells some black magic and turns every object inside the room in a form of a quiz box. After wandering for and searching for his dog everywhere, Bob gets a message from the monster that to get here, sweet dog, you have to come here, meet me, and answer me. After that, level 1 starts. Level 1 is bedroom, where a bed will be asking some questions to give him a clue for his dog whereabouts. After level 1 completion, level 2 will begin, and level 2 will be the study room, where he has to choose any of the 3 books, either physics, chemistry, maths, or English, or geography. And this will be also a bonus level, because the player can come any time at this room whenever he stuck in the middle of the game. Then comes the level 3. Then level 3 will be the kitchen, where a knife will be asking questions to get him the another clue for his dog's whereabouts. Level 4. Level 4 will be the bathroom, where a bucket will be there, and this will be the second last level of our game, and he will be giving the last clue of the dog's whereabout, and also will say that the monster is hiding somewhere in your basement. Last is the grand finale, the boss level, where our player will face the monster, and this level will also be a quiz level, and he has to answer the questions to all, and he has to answer all the questions of the monster to get his dog rescued. So after killing the boss, finally we will get our happy ending. The game items that I'll be using in the game will be a health meter, which will be in a form of a thermometer. Next is a hint meter, which will be recharged 3 times during the game, means the player can use the hint only for 3 times during a single level. Next, the main objectives will be marked in green color, and the optional objectives will mark in a blue color. For the programming portion of our game, we will be using C# and JavaScript. Here is a sample of a JavaScript code that I have used for making a simple game, and for writing the C# and JavaScript code, I will be using MonoDevelop utility, which is a compiler which comes along with the Unity 3D.
Now come to the most important part of a game, is a sound effect. Suitable sound effect makes a game is more attractive. So here, for creating sound effects, we will be using a Unity 3D sound assist and a sound editor software, Audacity.
I have made a simple flowchart to understand more on the game mechanism of how our game will work. First is the main menu of Rumorzell. Under the main menu is the start button. On clicking the start button, our first intro cutscene will begin. After the intro cutscene, level 1 begins. Completion of level will lead to level 2, and completion of level 2 will lead to level 3. After we have completed all the 3 consecutive levels, a middle cutscene will take place. After the middle cutscene, level 4 begins, and after completion of level 4, a last cutscene of our game will take place, showing the Rumorzell monster and the main character of our game. After killing the boss, an end cutscene will take place, which will be showing a happy ending between Bob and his favorite companion Juju. After the end cutscene, credits call will take place. Also, we can pause our game anytime and can get access to these buttons: option menu, extras, credits, and also equipment. The tools that we'll be using for creating our game will be Unity 3D. This is the user interface of Unity 3D. I've made a small game by Unity. You can see this is a FPS game. Unity 3D is one of the most popular game engine used in the world for creating games. Next is Blender. We'll be using Blender for creating our character, animations, and texturing. Next is Bio. We'll be using Bio for creating some 2D animations. So these were some of the tools that we'll be using for creating our game. So I hope you all have got what kind of game we are trying to make. This game will definitely be helping the 10 plus students, because the questions asked from this game will be based on physics, chemistry and maths. So I guess this game will definitely help these students to learn their studies in a more playful way. So thank you everyone. This is Dipanshu Iswas, the team leader of Team Darksiders.